Welcome. If you want to use Roblox in your preferred language, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to change your display language on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest 2025 update. This process is quick and easy, and it'll help you enjoy Roblox in the language you're most comfortable with. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu. Find and click on the option labeled More. This will open up a list of additional settings and features that you can customize. From the More menu, look for and select Settings. Inside the settings, go straight to Account Info. This is where you manage your personal details and preferences. Now scroll down the Account Info page until you see the Language section. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu listing all the languages Roblox currently supports. Click on the menu and choose the language you want to use. For example, if you want to switch to Spanish, select Español. If you ever want to change it back to English or another language, just repeat these steps and pick your new preference. After you select your language, the app might take a moment to update. Once it's done, the entire Roblox interface will appear in your chosen language, making it easier for you to navigate and play, and that's it. You've successfully changed the display language on the Roblox app for PC. This simple update can make your gaming experience smoother and more enjoyable, especially if you're more comfortable in another language. Thanks for joining me today, and enjoy exploring Roblox in your new language.